Coming back down to the town park. Look how high it is now. See, way off there in the distance is where the river normally is. I'm taking video, bud. And this is where we're at now. Can't even get to. That's Kidsburg way back in there. Can't even see it.
I can see it.
Oh, the fences are getting knocked over. Yes.
Is it a line with this water too? Is all that river stuff just floating into this right now?
Yeah, most of it.
Look at the sign. Oh, underwater.
Yeah, these are definitely got close.
They got higher up too.
Yeah. Well, tennis courts, you can't even get over there to see the main part.
That's the dugout.
Hey Jordan, do you know what that is?
That's the t-ball field.
That's your t-ball field, or your baseball field used to be right here.
Yeah,
those are the top of the dugouts underwater.
Looks like we're not going to be playing tennis for a while, Annette.
The brand new tennis courts were put in over here.
And now they're all washed up again, like the last ones were.
Maybe we can get in from the other side. Unreal. That tree line on the other side of the tree line is the supposed river. But that fence right there, that fence is probably 8-9 feet high. That's crazy.
Where? Right there.
This is the Bloomsburg Middle School and High School. It's almost up. Almost up to the top.
Boys, get back away. Jordan, Caleb, get back.
Back this way. Thank you.
I'm right here by the tree. Someone lost the motor to the motorboat.
It's not a motor, it's a bag of garbage.
It's like garbage, Alyssa.
Hey, boy, look! A tree lost his foot.
He's bearing across the river. Unreal.
Alright, you guys get over here. Go back to the yard.
Unreal.
Go around.
Holy smoke.
Come on, guys, over here. Hey!
This is the Bloomsburg Fairgrounds. That's the brand new band shell that they just finished. This whole thing is underwater. Look at that. And we still got about 12 hours before the river crests.
Yep.
Craziness.
Jordan, down.
Crazy, crazy,
Down
crazy.
here, buddy. Back here.
Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Hey!
This is downtown Bloomsburg.
This is downtown now.
Huh? We're on Main Street. It's right here. Right down there on the left is the Sunoco. Hey, come on, buddy.
This house is
Come on.
underwater. Yeah!
All underwater.
I got you covered. You can't get out.
Crazy. Crazy. End of our street. Now it's up to the stop sign. Stop, buddy. Stop.